Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're talking about the one and only Definity internet computer. Before I get started, I've taken like a week and a half off, folks. For the last 2 weeks, my contracts with Definity and internet computer, the grants have expired. So I thought it would be a great time to take a little break, really to kind of heal through the skin cancer issues on my face and body. So with that said, folks, I am back and I just want to give Definity and all the people at Internet Computer the biggest shout out in the entire world. This organization has changed my life forever, and I'm so thankful for the chance to get to work in the grants program and things like that. So I'm on the fence about pursuing another grant with them, but in the meantime, I still do plan on covering ICP and Definity, really, because I believe in the tech, I believe in the team. I know a lot of people in the community, and I know a lot of people at Definity, and it's a very strong organization, to say the least. But we got a tweet, folks, out of the one and only Dominic Williams. Crazy the internet computer. ICP is currently processing more than 20 billion Ethereum equivalent transactions a day right now. 240,000 transactions. Now, Definity has also updated their website, which I thought was a really good idea, because you come to their website, you scroll down, you can kind of see how many transactions in ETH equivalent we're doing right now at the average cost of fractions and fractions and fractions of a penny. And so right now we're doing 5,600 ICP transactions per second. You can see how the blocks being processed is like a knife cutting through butter. 3.36 terabytes of smart contract memory. You could wrap up the entire Ethereum ecosystem and really dump it into one of these contracts. It would literally cost billions of dollars to store all the stuff that's on Ethereum for an entire year. Yeah, I don't know what the price would be for ICP, but it would be like 99.9% less. We've got some huge news regarding CKBTC. This is Chain Key Bitcoin, folks. Now, a few proposals passed recently that basically released CKBTC and the ability for people to use it for real life. So this is out of testnet. This is like real life. You can use CKBTC right now. So that is pretty cool. Definity is going to be in Hong Kong for Web3 Festival on April 12th to the 15th. Okay, so they're going to be there the 12th to the 15th. Lots of side events. So if you're in Hong Kong, check them out. I thought this was really cool as well. NNS and ICP Token Metrics quarterly report. First quarter 2023. This chart as of April 1st shows that 126.1 million ICP, which is 25% of the total supply, is locked for a minimum of 8 years. 8 years. And there is a link that I do believe that Kyle Langham was able to write this wonderful article on this whole thing. So very cool, to say the least. If you get time, check that article out. What's ICP doing right now on the charts? Well, folks, it's kind of just kicking around. Where was it? I can't find it now. But let's just look this up. ICP. It's up 1.1% on the day, down 0.3 on the hour, down 5.5% on the week. So let's just check it out. And I've been kind of tracking ICP just on the side. I really haven't been making too many videos, like at all, the last week and a half, but I have been doing a little bit of trading and things like that. So right now we are in this symmetrical triangle squeeze, and we are seeing ICP currently break out of a falling wedge. So I picked up about $1,400 worth of ICP at about $4.85 because I thought we were going to see this symmetrical triangle produce. And it did. So right now we are seeing on this 1 hour chart that price is really kind of gearing up to this $5.04 level. I would love to see ICP really make it on top of this upper trend line here, because there is a huge falling wedge here. And if we break back down, I do think that we are going to see this corrective wave play out, and we could see ICP back down at about $4, somewhere in that neighborhood. But this is a humongous symmetrical triangle, and it's off a very nasty bear leg. So whenever we start to see these symmetrical triangles form, folks, really it's an indication that the previous trend could continue. So if we cannot stay on top of this top trend line, basically if you see ICP going into the weekend trading below, I don't know, $4.90, there's a good chance that we could see a little bit of a move to the downside, possibly right around that $4.30, maybe right around that $4.10 level. It just depends, folks. So this is still in the symmetrical triangle squeeze. Symmetrical triangle squeezes are very boring because it's just price action moving sideways. We want to see it moving up, right? So right now, unfortunately, we are in a bit of a pinch. We're still in the triangle here. We're not out of the woods. But if you see ICP really trading above this $5.15 level, we could be squeezing out of this this symmetrical triangle here. Ideally, what I want to see is some sort of a reversal where we get some sort of inverse head and shoulders here, something to get us out of this nasty downward spiral. So folks, that's all I've got for you today. I'm going to try to create some videos next week, but for now, we'll see you guys all in the next video.